पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदिया काण्व शाखया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद, पेज नंबर 589। So the last sentence we saw in Tika was कर्म निमित्तम ब्रह्म क्षत्रादि तदेव वर्ण आश्रम वयो अवस्था रूपम आत्मनि अविद्यया अध्यारोपितस्य प्रत्ययो मिथ्या ज्ञान। इन आत्मा शुद्ध चैतन्य there is अध्यारोप of वर्ण आश्रम अवस्था vaya. Avastha means stage, vaya means age. Why this adhyaropa is there? Because of avidya. And tan nimittaka, then some karma comes. So we saw the drashtantas. Varnasya karma nimittatve, ashramasya karma nimittatve, etc. in Tippani. Now what happens now is, now means in this age, those karma nimittas are absent. Person doesn't identify as Brahmana, so he will, when it is said Brahmana should do this, so okay. Because he doesn't think I am that. This is for me, this instruction. Or when it is said this avastha, so some specific stage, they may identify with some other avastha. That for that nimitta there is no Vedic injunction. And this avastha which they don't identify, for which there is Vedic injunction. So they never think any karma is for me, because no karma nimitta, and matching is there for karma nimitta that I have, for there is no karma in Veda. And there where karma is there, those karma nimitta I don't see in myself. So this is what ends up happening. That does not mean aropa is not there. Vidya aropa is there. Adhyaropa is there of some avaidika karma. Laukika karma, aropa is there. Avidyaya adhyaropitasya tika pratyayo mithya jnanam. Avidya adhyaropitasya pratyaya is mithya jnanam. Mithya jnanam means mithya cha tad ajnanam cha iti mithya ajnanam. तस्य विषयतया स्थितं क्रियाद्यात्मकं तद उपमर्दनार्थम आह इति संबद्ध. All of that is tasya vishayataya sthitam. Tasya means pratyayasya. Any pratyaya will have some vishaya. So this, what is mithya and ajnanam, or even if you translate as mithya jnanam, that way also it can work. Mithya, see, in Brahma Sutra Adhyasa Bhashya, mithya jnanam shabda is there, mithya ajnanam also. When you say aham idam mamedam, so this naisargika loka vyavahara is this mithya jnana. I am this is mine, etc. And this avidya adhyaropa is mithya jnana. So aham idam, mama idam means I am this Brahmana, this is my avastha, this is my vaya, etc. Therefore I should do this, therefore I should not do that. All those things, they are triggered by mithya jnanam. And mithya jnanam is in the form of ahamidam. Mithya jnanam. If you take it as mithya ajnanam, mithya ajnanam, if you take that which is mithya and that which is ajnanam, because it is ajnana karyam. Ajnana karyatvad ajnanam. Clear? Like Rajju Sarpa, that is the Drishtanta given in Bhashya. Rajju Sarpa will be, you call Ajnanam because it is Ajnana Karya. And Rajju Sarpa is Mithya also. So, Tasya Vishayataya Sthitam Kriyadhyatmakam. It is in the form of some Kriya. Tad Upamardanartham Aha. Its Upamardanam means its uprooting, elimination. Aha iti Sambandha. So, this Aha iti Sambandha now you see in Bhashya. This line that we read, Yad Brahma Kshatradi Karma Nimittam Varna Ashramadi Lakshanam. Brahma Kshatradi, they become Karma Nimitta, and also Varna Ashramadi Lakshanam, they are also Karma Nimitta. Atmani Avidya Adhyaropita means Atmani Avidyaya Adhyaropita Pratyay Vishayam. Then Bhagavan Bhashyakar elaborates that its span goes to Kriya Karaka Phalam. Whatever is Kriya Karaka Phalam, all of that is Avidya Adhyaropita Pratyay Vishaya. Whether it is in Aham or whether it is in Idam. So if I say Ayam Pataha, this is also Avidya Adhyaropita Pratyay Vishaya. Aham Manushyaha, this is also Avidya Adhyaropita Pratyay Vishaya. Therefore, when all Avidya Adhyaropita Pratyay Vishayas are eliminated as Mithya, its Adhisthana Brahma, then it is known, then Brahmani Jnate Sarvam Viditam. Then only it will happen. When all Aham is gone, all Idam is gone. So that means everything has to be understood as Avidya Adhyaropita Pratyay Vishayam. Kriya Karaka Phalatmakam. It is either some Kriya, some Karaka or some Phala. Like anything, is Pata I have because some karma was done, some Karakas were used, I got some Prarabdha, which is part of that. Phalatmakam. Avidya Pratyay Vishayam. See, again he mentions that. Avidya Pratyay Vishayam. Rajvam iva Sarpa Pratyayaha. Sarpa. Rajvam iva Sarpa Pratyaya. So all my Vishaya Jnanam, whether it is Aham or Idam, is all Rajvam iva Sarpa Pratyaya. Tad Upamardanartham Aha. So that Aha iti Sambandha in Tika, this is the Sambandha. Because it is Mithya, therefore its Upamardanam is required. Therefore, Acharya said, you should do, once you do Atma Vare Drashtavyaha, means once you have Atma Darshanam, through Shravan Mana Nididhyasanam, all these Avidya, Adhyaropita, Pratyaya and their Vishaya, they all will go. I mean, this is the Phalam. Atma Vare Drashtavyaha, if you do, this is what you will get. So Vedanta Shravanam will remove all Mithya Pratyayas and everything is Mithya. Therefore, the phalam of that will be आत्मनि खलु अरे मैत्रेयी दृष्टे श्रुते मते विज्ञाते इदम सर्वम विदितम भवति. So this will become the result of that jnana. आत्मनि खलु अरे मैत्रेयी दृष्टे श्रुते मते विज्ञाते idam sarvam viditam bhavati. All this will become known. And they have given the number 4, 5, 6. It is in this mantra only. 2, 4, 5 itself. No, here it is given in this way. Darshanena, Shravanena, Matya, Vijnanena. Here, so some slight differences are there in that Adhyaya and this. And that Adhyaya Brahmana and this Adhyaya Brahmana. But idam sarvam viditam is the phalam, is samanam in both cases. Now, I thought I will, since we are on this topic, I will cover some Vartik on this, Vartik Sar. Because this topic goes otherwise very quickly. We should have more chintanam on this. So Vidyaranya Swamiji says this now. He says, earlier we saw Vidya Sutra. What was the Vidya Sutra?
Atma iti eva upasita.
Atma iti eva upasita. So there we analyze that Atma Upasanam should be there and Atma Upasanam alone is there. Means Anatma na chintan. Upasita means chintaniya. So Anatma chintanam you should not do. Atma iti eva upasita. So he says, Atmetyeveti sutrasya vidha vyakhya purodita Atma tattva paratvena tadvichara paratvatah. Atmit, he connects this Atma Vare Drashtavya first with Vidya Sutra. Because Bhashyakar said, yesterday or day before we saw the line, you remember? This is the Vyakhya of Atmetyopasita, this mantra. So you have to connect with that. Bhashyakar said, so here he connects it. That Sutra Vyakhya was done in two ways. Atma iti eva upasita. One was with Atma word as Pradhana. Second is Vichara as Pradhana. So Upasita is Vichara. Chintanam, what we said, is Vichara. Then he says, so Atma Tattva Paratvena or Tad Vichara Paratvata. Atma Drashtavya Ityukta Tattva Dhirupadarshita Shrotavya Ityadina tu Vichara Upadishyate. Here also he says the same thing. Atma Vare Drashtavya is emphasizing Atma. And Shrotavya Mantavya Nididhyasitavya is emphasizing Vichara. And yesterday, so we saw the Vidhi. In Brahadaranyaka we saw previous day, but yesterday we saw in Naishkarmya Siddhi also. So Niyama Vidhi and Parisankhya Vidhi. So Atma va are. So that Atma iti eva upasita is Niyama. Anatma na upasita is Parisankhya. So you can connect those things which are there in Atmitya Upasita with here also. And Shravana Mana Nididhyasana is for Vichara. That you have to do Vichara. Vichara Upadishyate. Then in Shravana, he says that you have to use Shabda Shakti and Shravanam also requires that you apply the Shruti, Linga, Vakya, Prakarana, Sthana, Samakhya, all these linga for the artha of the shabdas, just like how in Mimamsa. Shrutyartha vishkruter hetuhu shabda shaktir vivekakrit Shrutilingādiko nyāyah proktah shrutavya ityatah. Shrutilingādiko nyāya, when you do Shravanam, you will have to use that. Means when I see some Vakya and I understand, no, this is not direct Shruti, but this is Prakarana or Linga, it will become Durbala Vakya. So while doing Shravanam, I should know. Then only I will know where is the Tatparya. What mantras are not part of Tatparya, what mantras are part of Tatparya, in this Mimamsa, I will have to use Shabda Shakti Krita Viveka. Shabda Shaktir Viveka Krita Shrutyartha Avishkriti. So it means he says Shravanam should be of this nature. But anyway, let us understand Shravanam is happening with the help of Bhasha, etc. So it is, Tatparya is given. What is Mananam? Artha Sambhavano Chedi Tarko Mananamiritam Veda Shastra Virodhyatra Tarko Grahyo Na Chetaraha. Artha Asambhavana Uchedi is Tarka. Shravana Artha, whatever I grasp through Shravana, in that if there is Asambhavana, no, this is Asambhavana, literal meaning is not possible, or it is doubtful. The Samshaya-grasta Jnanam is there. Tad Uchedi Tarka is called Mananam. Artha Asambhavana Uchedi Tarko Mananam Iritam. Some of it we already saw, but since we are seeing this, I am going through it. And what kind of tarka should be? Veda Shastra Avirodhi Atra Tarko Grahya. So Shruti Mataha Tarka means we are not saying you do independent tarka where you don't take Shruti as Pramana. You take Shruti first. And then if Shruti says Jagat is Mithya, but in my buddhi, what is Jagat Mithya means as some selected items also, I don't know whether I have understood as Mithya or not. Forget about whole Brahmanda. In other words, Shravanam has happened, but Nishchaya is not happening. So then I have to use Yukti. Then in that, lot of Purva Apurva Vichara will happen. Why not this way? Why this way? Etc. So that is called Shruti Avirodhi Tarka. Then Nididhyasanam Aparayatva Bodhotra Nididhyasanam Uchyate. That first line is same, but second line is different. He says, why Vijnana Shabda is given in the second Vakya, that Atmani Khalu Are Maitreyi Darshanena Shravanena Matya Vijnanena Idam Sarvam Vididam Bhavati. Why he says Vijnanam? Dhyana Shanka Nivrityartham Vijnanena Iti Udiranat. So that you don't have this false notion that Nididhyasanam means Dhyana. Dhyana Ashanka Nivrityartham Vijnanena Pada he has given. Shruti herself gives Vijnana Pada so that you don't confuse it with Dhyana. Dhyana Shanka Nivrityartham Vijnanene Tyudiranat. Then there is a question that in general, question means Tikakar is giving this, not in the Mukhya. That Nididhyasana Shabda generally is taken as Dhyanam. Why can't we take Dhyanam only? Why we have to take Vijnanam? So you say this way, Vijñāyate anena iti Vijñānam. So Vijñāna Shabda Artha you can use for Dhyanam. Vijñāyate anena iti Vijñānam. Anena Dhyanena. By Dhyanam, if I get the knowledge, so Vijñāyate anena iti Vijñānam. Bhamati Mata might have done this kind of Anuvada. If at all, I don't know. I should not have said this Vakya. Let's say Vijñāyate anena iti Vijñānam. So then Vijñānam means Dhyanam. You can use that. So he says, here you cannot do such meaning because really speaking it is Vang Manasa Agocharam. Therefore, it should not be part of Dhyanam. This should become my understanding. It is not Vishaya of Dhyanam as such. Whenever Dhyanam is done, that in that Dhyanam, some Adhyaropa you will do and then you will do Dhyanam. Yes. Dhyanam will become some kind of Upasana. It will not be Vijnana. Further. Saguna Brahma Dhyanam also. Like Kavim Puranam today, that shloka somebody chanted, right? Kavim Puranam Manasha Sitaram Anoraniyam Manaso Smaretya Sarvatra Dhataram Achintya Rupam Aditya Varnam Tamasa Parasa. All these lakshanas you can use in that Brahma. It is Upasana. Chintana. So you should do Chintana. In Panchadashi, Nididhyasana Lakshana definition is given. Tabhyam Nirvichiketse Arthe Chetasas Apitam Tuyat Ekatanatvam Etadhi Nididhyasanam Uchyate. Tabhyam Shravana Mananabhyam Nirvichiketse Arthe. That Artha where there is no Shanka anymore. Nirvichiketse Arthe Chetasas Thapitam Tuyat. There, my mind I have to keep. And then Ekatanatvam, Sajatiya Pratyaya, I have to have. Sajatiya Pratyaya means my mind should do Chintanam of this only, that Shruti saying Aparoksha is Brahma. Shruti is not saying there is some Brahma with this, that, etc. qualities, because such Brahma will not fit here. If it has to be Adhishthanam, it has to be Nirvishesha, that alone I can be. Any Savishesha is Mithya. So this Chintanam, Brahma is not Anya. Brahma is Aparoksha. And that Brahma is whatever else that is said about that Brahma. That I have to see in myself. So I see myself as Saguna. So when I understand Brahma is Nirguna and that I am, therefore all guna from me, I have to understand them as Mithya. Drashtavya iti Vijnanam Uddishya Shravanam Tatha Mananam cha Vidhayatha Vijnanam Avadim Jagau. Drashtavya iti Vijnanam Uddishya. Drashtavya means you should have knowledge. Atmavare Drashtavya means should have Atma Jnanam. Shravanam Mananam Vidhaya. Vijnanam is Avadhi. Means where should it end? In Vijnanam. Shravanadi Kriya Tavat Kartavyeha Prayatnataha Yavad Yathoktam Vijnana Mavir Bhavati Bhaswaram. Aparayata Bodha Na Parayata. Para Ayata Ayata means Adhina. Na Paradhina Bodha is called Aparayata Bodha. So he says here, Shravanadi Kriya, how long I should do Kriya? So I told you yesterday, like Drishtaphalam. until you yourself understand that now I don't have viparita bhavana. I don't take Jagat Satya, I don't take myself as this Vyakti. Until that point, you go on doing. Yavad yathoktam vijnanam bhaswaram avirbhavati. There are more shlokas. I think this much is. Then he says, after jnanam, nothing else is expected. No pratyavritti, no prasankhyanam. In Upadesh Sahasri, that khandanam is done. That is not needed. Or aham brahmasmi iti avirala pravaha is not needed. Let's up to this is okay. Let's see the next mantra now here. Tika. Atmani vidite sarvam viditam iti uktam akshipati. It is said, if you know Atma, you will know all. So why this is possible? Because Atma is Jagat Karanam, Upadana Karanam. Therefore, Atmani vidite sarvam viditam syat. So akshepa is there. Nanu. Katham anyasmin vidite anyad viditam bhavati. This is prasiddha akshepa in Chandogya, etc. This is given. That if I study Vyakarana, I don't understand Nyaya. I have to study it separately. Because this is how those students who used to go there, they will ask the question. So then how you are saying ek jnanena sarva vijnanam will happen? Anyasmin vidite anya katham viditam bhavati. Naisha dosha. There is no dosha. Tika. Drishti virodham nirachaste. There is drishti virodha. Tippani second number. Brahmatam ityadehe sarvam veda iti antasya tatparyam vadan ityadi. So this next mantra that we are going to see. Brahmatam paradat etc. Nahi anyasmin drishte anyad bhavati drashtam iti drishti virodha. There is pratyaksha virodha. So that pratyaksha virodha nirakaranam is done. Nirachaste. Nahi atma vyatirekena anyat kinchit asti. Why do we say atma jnanena sarva jnanam is possible? Because other than atma there is nothing. Atma vyatirekena anyat kinchit na asti. If I have not done enough of this vichara, then I will say I am Brahma, I have understood, but atma vyatirekena anyat kinchit asti will be true for me. So I have to do this vichara. This is required. Atma means Chaitanya. Atma means not this. Other than Chaitanya, which is me, there is nothing else. Everything is Chaitanya Rupa. So I have to do multiple things in there. There are steps. One is I am Chaitanya. Second is other than Chaitanya, there is nothing. Therefore, Atma Jnanena Sarvam Viditam Syam. Bhashyakar says, Yadi Asti Na Tad Viditam Syam. If it is there, it will not become known. Natu Anyad Asti. Atma eva tu sarvam. But there is nothing else. Atma alone is there. Sitika. Atmani jnate jnatam eva sarvam. Tato अर्थांतरस्य अभावात इति उक्तम एव स्फुटयति. आत्मनि ज्ञाते ज्ञातम एव सर्वम. When Atma is known, everything is known. Tato arthantarasya abhavat. Arthantar means there is no other meaning to this. This itself is the meaning. Abhavat इति उक्तमेव स्फुटयति यदि अस्ति न तद् विदितं स्यात्। यदि अस्ति विल बी आपादक, न तद् विदितं स्यात् आपाद्य। न तु अन्यद् अस्ति, आत्मा एव तु सर्वं, तस्मात् सर्वं आत्मनि विदिते विदितं स्यात्। Therefore आत्मनि विदिते सर्वं विदितं स्यात्। आकांक्षा पूर्वकम उत्तर वाक्यम उदाहृत्य व्याचष्टे। आकांक्षा पूर्वक उत्तर वाक्यम उदाहृत्य, उत्तर वाक्य means the next mantra, it will come as the udaharanam. व्याचष्टे कथम पुनर आत्मैव सर्वम इति एतत् श्रावयति। हाउ आत्मा इज ऑल। सो नाउ द मंत्र। ब्रह्मतं परादाद्यो अन्यत्रात्मनो ब्रह्म वेद, क्षत्रन्तं परादाद्यो अन्यत्रात्मनः क्षत्रं वेद, लोकास्तं परादुर्यो अन्यत्रात्मनो लोकान् वेद, देवास्तं परादुर्यो अन्यत्रात्मनो देवान् वेद, भूतानि तं परादुर्यो अन्यत्रात्मनो भूतानि वेद, सर्वं तं परादाद्यो अन्यत्रात्मनः सर्वं वेद, इदं ब्रह्मेदं क्षत्रमिमे लोका इमे देवा इमानि भूतानि इदगं सर्वं यदयमात्मा। प्रसिद्ध मंत्र, और many are प्रसिद्ध in this chapter. ब्रह्मतं परादात्, परादात्, पर अदात, अदात is the shabda there. There is a dhatu do avakhandane. Avakhandana means bhed, distinction. दो अवखंडने, दिवादिगण धातु, लुंग लकार रूप इज दिस। Adat will come in other dhatus also, huh? Dan, dane, dap, lavane, dudae, dane. But we need only this, do avakhandane. Para adat means the one who sees. Brahma here means Brahmana. Yaha tam Brahmanam parat yo atmanah anyatra Brahma Veda. Brahmanas tam parat. Brahmana will create Veda with that person. So let us understand this way. Let us say there is Chaitra. Chaitra thinks I have understood, I am Brahma. Now Chaitra is Jivan Mukta. Means he thinks I am Jivan Mukta. This is just yatra going on. Okay. He said these Brahmanas are different from me. Maybe he is not Brahmana, he is somebody else. He said these are all different. His jnanam is incomplete because he sees Veda with somebody. Why this mantra has come? To show Brahma is everything. Then only Brahma Jnanena Sarva Jnanam will happen. If he thinks something is different from me, his Jnanam is incomplete. That means Brahma is all. Then if that Jnanam is there, then only that Jnanam is complete. To show that, how Upanishad says, if somebody rejects Brahmana, then those Brahmanas will keep him away from his moksha. because his knowledge is not complete. Those Brahmanas mean actually they are not going to do anything. That incomplete knowledge will prevent him from going further. He will be blocked there. Why? Because oneness with those people he has not had. Then Kshatriyas, let us say. So with Kshatriyas, if he does not have oneness, those Kshatriyas will obstruct his moksha. Kshatram tam paradat yo atmanah anyatra kshatram veda. Yaha atmanah anyatra kshatram veda. The one who sees these Kshatriyas are different from me. Those Kshatriyas will block him. No, because you have not seen oneness with us. Therefore, you cannot go ahead. Lokaha tam paraduhu. So this Brahma and Kshatram, they both are Napunsakalinga Shabdas. Huh? That's why you will not know whether they are in Prathama or Dvitiya. So how you should understand? The Brahma tam paradat. So tam is Dvitiya. So Brahma will be in Prathama. Brahmanas will stop him. Whom? He who. So yo is Prathama. And Atmano Anyatra Brahma Veda. That Brahma will be in Dvitiya. Is it clear what I said? Yes. Same is true for Kshatram. Because there also you will not know what is Prathama, what is Dvitiya. Kshatram tam paradat. Yo Anyatra Atmanah Kshatram Veda. In that Kshatram Veda, what is the vibhakti of Kshatram?
Dvitiya Ekavachana.
Dvitiya. And Kshatram tam paradat, there Kshatram is Prathama. And that will become clear in the next Vikalpa. Lokas tam paraduhu, yo anyatra atmano lokan veda. So there it is very clear. Lokaha tam paraduhu. Lokaha is Bahuvachana. But Prathama. Lokas will prevent. Means if I think Patal Loka is not, I don't have Tadatmya with Patala Loka or Naraka or whatever you want to call. Only upper Lokas I am Brahma, only upper Lokas are me. I am one with them. They will stop you. Actually, this Jnanam, we may not think in this way. You should apply this in case of religion also. If somehow in my mind, if there is a mental block for any religion or any religious thinking, they will also prevent your Brahmatva. That also you should not have. That's why Tairayam na virudhyate. Vedantin cannot have virodha with anybody. They are also as much part of me as anything else. So you need very expanded vision in this. Because Loka, we don't think in the form of this Loka and Devatas. Our tradition, Vedic tradition used to think like that. But we think more in the day-to-day world. There also one should not have this. Jo anyatra atmano lokan veda. If somebody thinks that these lokas are different from me, those lokas mean that bheda buddhi. Actually, no, not those people. It is the bheda buddhi which will prevent me from doing brahmachintanam. Then how will I get moksha? Why? Because I have bheda. That no, this is not included. That is not clear. Rest is Brahma. That is, I am one with all the rest of them. That will not work. I had read a statement, and I'm sure everybody knows. Statement means I don't remember the exact words. But whenever, let's say, there are two major political parties in any country, and the candidate from one party is running for the highest position in that country, whatever that position is. When he is running for that position, he is representing one party. When he wins the election, he represents the whole nation. He doesn't represent only one party anymore. If this buddhi person does not have, he will never become the leader of the whole nation. He'll be leader only of that party. So after you become the head, you have to think of everybody. Those who voted for you and those who voted against you also. This is what is required. Raja should be like this. So a person who says, I will, you didn't vote for me, right? I will, such person will not come up. So this Bhed Buddhi can, unknowingly we can entertain, and our moksha will be affected. Anything else gets affected, we don't worry. Because what is my highest sadhya, that gets prevented, that is my biggest loss. Then just like Lokaha, Devastam Paradur, Yo Anyatra Atmano, Devan Veda, Bhutani, all the other beings also. Bhutani means the dogs and cats and whatever else are there, all of them. Tam Paradu, Yo Anyatra Atmano, Bhutani Veda. Sarvam, now everything is included in one. Sarvam Tam Paradad, Yo Anyatra Atmanaha, Sarvam Veda. All this is Brahma. That is said, Idam Brahma, Idam Kshatram, this Brahmana, this Kshatriya, the Lokas, these Devas, these Bhutas. And in the 4th chapter, these Vedas also. Everything, Sarvam Yat Ayam Atma. Idam Sarvam Yat Ayam Atma. All of this is nothing but Ayam. Ayam is Aparoksha. This Atma itself is all of this. Therefore, Bhed Buddhi na kartavya. Bhed Buddhi will, what will you get through Bhed Buddhi? You will enjoy, let us say, see, I have entertained Bheda. You will be punished for that Bheda. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayana Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.